In this video, I'll show you how to change the color palette on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. By default, when you swipe down the notification panel, you'll see the system's default color palette or accent color applied to your quick settings, brightness and volume slider, icons, and interface. If you want to customize these colors, just follow these steps. First, go to your home screen. Then long press on any empty space on the home screen. Tap Wallpaper and Style. Next, tap on Color Palette. Make sure the Color Palette option is turned on. Now you'll see several color options automatically generated from your current wallpaper. As you tap different palettes, you'll see a preview of how the colors will look on your device. You'll notice two sections here: Wallpaper Colors, colors based on your current wallpaper; Basic Colors, preset color options you can choose from. Under Wallpaper Colors, you may see up to 8 different color combinations. Under Basic Colors, you can select from several standard color styles. Choose the color palette you like, then tap Apply at the bottom. Once applied, swipe down the notification panel again. You'll notice the quick settings icons, brightness slider, and interface accents now match the new color palette. You'll also see the new colors applied in places like the Settings menu and System buttons. Apply color palette to app icons. If you also want the app icons to match the color palette, follow these steps. Open Settings. Tap Wallpaper and Style. Then select Color Palette. Turn on the Apply Palette to App Icons option. Finally, tap Apply. Now go back to the home screen, and you'll see the app icons updated to match the color palette as well. And that's it! That's how you can change and customize the color palette on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series.